Hello, hello. We are back with another jewelry unboxing. This time it is a Victorian era antique type of jewelry. So I think that's what I bid on in an auction anyway. So there should be a lot of really nice goodies in here. I'm very excited to open this up and see what's here. I'm not partial to any one era of jewelry, and so but some of the Victorian or the older things that are coming up I'm really intrigued by, so this is exciting. Let's see, let's start with this here. So this is like a bead or a amber plastic colored plastic, I think, or it sounds like plastic. An engraving on there. I'm not really sure what you would do with this. Maybe it came out of something. Yeah, it looks like it was meant to be wrapped. There's a groove all along here. Interesting. Look at this bracelet. Unbelievable. There are faux pearls or real pearls. Okay, let me just test this on the little teeth scratch test here. No, I think they're fake. They're faux, but the craftsmanship is beautiful. Look at how gorgeous that is. Kind of Art Deco, I guess, in the way it's designed. Unreal, absolutely beautiful. I love this. Wow. Okay, here's a March. Anon? Is this someone's name, or is this looks like something a nurse possibly wore. Isn't that nice? That's neat. The history behind some items. Oh, and look, it has the C clasp. So it is very old. Marg Ann. Is that maybe what that is saying? Or is it her first name? I'm going to have to investigate some of that. And with a kind of silver toned cross inlaid to plastic. Must be the pin a nun might wear, or a nurse. Neat. And a, wow, celluloid floral with a flower kind of clasp, or is that a bail? Is that what that means when you have the hook at the top for pendants? Is that a specific style, or is that just called a hook? But it has got a flower, and that is really thin and very delicate. Very delicate. Really nice. It's really nice. Whole cufflinks. Oh wow. Oh wow. I am so impressed with that. Cool. That's super cool. That is etched glass cameos in a gold tone base. Wow, those are super neat. Do they have any markings on them? I don't even know if they're that old, but because the backs look a little bit newer, so maybe it's a Victorian revival type of, yes, Hicken? packet. It's funny how this came packaged in this little box, but it came packaged in about 4 different plastic bags, but none of the items were separated in individual bags. It was almost like a nesting doll. Opening up the larger bag and then the middle bag and then the other bag and the smaller bag, and they just gradually got smaller. So yeah, they weren't exactly protected, which is going to be fingers crossed nothing was wildly damaged. I don't think so. This is so tiny. Oh, I bet this was for a baby or a child. A little gold bracelet with a safety clasp. Isn't that nice? Isn't that pretty? That is a very small, I don't want to damage this. There we go. Is there something written there? It appears like there could be. Could be not. I see things, or I want to see things, I guess. I'll have to look that closer, but there's something. Is it going to focus on there? It does not. But it does say something. I'll have to look at that closer because it's very small. What a beautiful tiny little bracelet. How big would it be? A toddler could fit that. Probably. Wonder why they made bracelets for such small children. Did they wear them? Was it commemorative? Was it just to have? Was it... I'd be too worried they would rip it off or snag a wrist or something. These are beautiful and they're nicely set together, so I'm not going to do them, but they're seashell earrings and they are cool. They are super cool. Don't see any markings on them. Kind of, oh, look at them shine. Definitely real shells. Really, really nice screw back earrings. That's awesome. That's really awesome. What is this? Oh, this is a little pocket knife that you could hang. Now, is it for, would it be for a woman's? Oh, what are those called if they would have them on the side of their dresses? And was a name for that. I'm sure this opens up. I've never been good at opening knives. Never have. I'll have, yeah. I was like super scared when I cut myself. Had my finger in the wrong place. Oh, there's something on there, but I can't. Yeah, so I opened it up and you can see it says stainless and some numbers, I think, up there. And then this here says Simmons. Pretty sharp too. Pretty sharp, so that's really cool. I'm going to do investigating about this. Okay, what other goodies here? We have a couple things all woven together. Okay. Oh, these are stunning. There's definitely a part of me, I think, when I'm winning these auctions, I'm thinking, okay, obviously I'm thinking, what am I going to do with these items? Okay, where did that go? Here it is. It just came off its little hook. And now, and I'm thinking, I don't really even wear jewelry, but some of these pieces, like these earrings, for example, I want to keep for myself. And they're just too special. They're just too beautiful. Like, this looks like citrine colored, topaz colored, very light yellow, gold bars. You can see through on the back, very nicely made. Nice. Okay, cool. I'll have to put those together in a little bit. I'm just going to take a closer look at them. No, definitely gold plated by the looks of it. Don't think they are as old though. They're old, but they're not antique. Like, they're not 1800s, I don't believe. They have no signs of wear or age, which is great. They're phenomenal quality. Yeah. And then there is this. This is a pendant as well. Kind of a bronzy outside of this beautiful aquamarine blue. It's an interesting way of holding it together. In the back, I haven't seen though. Feels a little, very delicate, really delicate. These prongs are not thick, quite thin. Something you want to be careful with wearing, but it is kind of a bronzish color, gold bronze. Stunning. Let's see here. Oh, two more screw back earrings with a jet black teardrop style. Wow, really nice. I like those. Don't see anything on them. Beautiful.